Okay, let me tell you all a very interesting experiment. A group of scientists placed 5 monkeys in a cage and right in the middle placed a tall ladder with few bananas on top. So every time a monkey tries to climb up the ladder, scientists soaked rest of the monkeys with hot water through the shower. After 2-3 times, monkeys got this process. Then whenever any monkey tried to climb up the ladder, the others would beat him up. Even if there was no hot shower coming in. The scientists have stopped switching on hot shower by now. So after some time, no monkey dared to go up the ladder regardless of the temptation in fear of hot shower. Then scientists substituted one of the monkeys with a new monkey. Now the first thing this new monkey does was go up the ladder. Immediately other 4 monkeys beat him up. Hot shower was not on. After getting a beating few times, this new monkey also learned not to climb the ladder and stopped trying, even though he never knew why. Then the scientists substituted a second monkey and the same events occurred. Even the first new monkey participated in beating the second new monkey now. Then the third monkey was substituted and the same was repeated where both new monkey participated in beating this third one now. Then the fourth one was substituted and the beating was repeated. Finally, the fifth was also replaced and even he got beating from all the 4 new monkeys whenever he tried to climb up the ladder. At the end, what do we have? We have got 5 monkeys in the cage who do not know anything about the hot shower at all, beating up any monkey who tries to climb up the ladder to get the bananas. If it was possible to ask these monkeys why they would beat up all those who attempted to go up the ladder, I bet you the answer would be, I don't know, that's how things are done around here. Does it sound familiar? Most of us are also living in a prison of all thoughts, beliefs, morals, values, principles infused inside us by people around us. Books we read, social media feeds, newspaper, TV channels. We just believe whatever is shown to us, taught to us to be right. That's how a paradigm is created. We just follow the same path everyone in the society is following. School, college, post-graduation, job, marriage, children, car, house, retire and die. If any one of us want to choose a different path, we are told, first finish your study and then do whatever you want. Okay, I finished my study. Then I'm told, first get a good job and then do whatever I want. Okay, I got a job. First get married, then do whatever you want. Can't we have an unconditional do whatever you want? Why is a condition attached to it always? When you join a company, you just follow whatever is told to you, being trained to you, whatever is written in the process documentation that becomes the Bible, isn't it? Do you ever ask yourself or anyone around you, why am I doing this? Most of us follow others. We continue to do what others are doing or what others tell us to do without understanding why we should do it. Don't be a monkey. You'll not be successful. You'll not be a leader. Think critically, rationally. Not everything is true. Challenge the system, the process. There is always a better way of doing things. Often, I have seen that all team members keep doing a certain task in a certain way for ages until a new guy who thinks critically joins them, tries to understand why that task is done in that way, and then explains the drawback of existing process or suggests a more efficient way of doing it. Obviously, this new guy only grows up to be a leader one day. There's a famous quote attributed to Albert Einstein. Only 2 things are infinite, the universe and the human stupidity. And I'm not so sure about the former. Don't be a monkey. Learn to think critically. And if you need help to learn it, contact me. Cheers.
Thanks for listening to me. Please share this video now with others on your Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. To get notified about next videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. We'll meet again. Stay happy.